In opener 9, we're going to extend the idea of opener 8 and see if we can find two different values now that give us the area to be x squared minus 36. So here I have x squared, here I have yx, here I have zx, and here I have zy. And again, the negative 36 comes from that. The x squared comes from the first box. And the combination of these two boxes need to knock each other out. So we need zx plus yx to equal 0. And really what we're saying, if I factor that, that'd be, if I factor out an x, I'm saying, really what I'm saying is z plus y must equal 0. Right? Because the x is the x, and that can't be 0. So it must be that z plus y is equal to 0. So that's one thing I know. And the other is that z times y must equal negative 36. So in essence, what we're looking for here is two numbers that multiply together to negative 36 that add to 0. And the skill is going to be something we keep practicing over and over in factoring, looking for two numbers that add to something that also multiply to something else. And so let's look at all the numbers that multiply to negative 36 first, and then we can look at which combinations add to 0. So we have negative 36 and 1. We have 36 and negative 1. We have 2 and negative 18. We have negative 2 and 18. We have 3 and negative 12. We have negative 3 and 12. Any of these add to 0 yet? No, but it looks like we're getting closer. Then we keep going. 4, negative 9, negative 4. I'm going to just write it as 4, negative 4, 9. Still not there yet. So what else multiplies to 36? Oh, negative 6 and 6. Look at that. Those two add together to 0. So those are my numbers. So y is negative 6 and z is 6, or if you'd like to flip it, that's fine. Y can be 6 and z can be negative 6. It really doesn't matter. The point here now is, again, the difference of squares, we end up with x minus 6 times x plus 6, just like we did in the last problem.